Namaskar, good morning friends. Myself is Dr. Malay Das, a homeopath. Welcome you to your own YouTube channel Health is Wealth, where we can discuss various health related issues and also provide the solution how to overcome those situations. I have been greatly influenced by Dr. Rajan Sankaran and Dr. Bimal Chajer. Both are very much eminent in their respective fields and have been continuously working for the betterment of the human sufferings. Today, I would like to talk about the obesity and how we can manage this obesity. See, obesity is the burning topic for whole of the country, especially those the young generation people, educated people, aristocratic peoples. All they are having the same problems that they have adequate amount of the food, yet they reduce their physical activities. Due to that, what problem arises? They are generally become obese and obese, and each and everyone wants to know how to overcome this obesity. See, the maximum people they used to calculate calories, like how much calories can I lose after walking, jogging, running, doing exercising. I told them there is no need to calculate the calories. You just try to listen my words, you will automatically lose your calories and lose your weight. Now directly come to the fact, how does our body moves? How does it moves? From where we are getting the energy? Yes, body gets its energy from the food. Say for example, from where the car gets its energy, it's from the petrol. So for the body it is the food, and for the car it is the petrol. Say what is the unit of the petrol? Say it is in the liters. What is the unit of the food? It is the calories. So how many liters of the petrol is required? It totally depends how many kilometers the car runs. The more it runs, the more petrol it requires. Similarly, how much calories we require, it totally depends how much physical work we do. The more we work, the more we require the calories. Now we'd like to understand about how we're spending the calories. We try to understand. Say when the minimum amount of the calories is required in our body, obviously during sleeping, then a little more during sitting, then a little more during standing, then a little more during moving, then a little more during walking. That means the more we work, the more we require the calories. If we left the lower economical background section of the peoples, because they are the hard working peoples, if we considered ourselves, we are the least physical work done group of the peoples. You see, in the earlier times the people used to go miles after miles for their work. Now they take the help of a car, even they have to move a kilometer, so their physical work done become less. Earlier time there was no lift, now there is the lift. If you see the daily routine of a person, after working, just he used to have the bed dish, have look over the newspapers, watching the television, then bathing, then prayer, then breakfast. You see, no work done, no physical work done, all the work done by the sitting only. Again, when he will go to the office, what do you think, that he will go by walking or jogging? Obviously no, he will take the help of a car. After reaching the office, he will just sit on his chair, open the files, checking the balance sheet, closing the files, then signing the check, then meeting starts. So you can see all the work done by the sitting, this then meeting, eating and sitting will continue till evening. And again when he returns back to the house, what he will do? He will sit on a sofa with some snacks, have a remote on one hand and a smartphone on the other hand. He started watching television, and this will continue till he finished his dinner. So you can realize that these things are going through your life also. Moreover, the females are the more sufferer. Earlier they used to grind the wheat and to cook to get the food. Now they are getting the ready-made. Earlier they used to clean the clothes with the help of their hands. Now with the help of a switch they can manage. Earlier they used to clean the houses. Now the housemates are there. So these categories of the people having the least physical work done group of the peoples, for them if we calculate, they generally require 1600 calories of energy. So what is the calories requirement for the labor section people? Labor section means those are carrying the 10 numbers of the bricks, moves up and down for more than 50 times. Labor classes peoples means those are digging the hard mud and doing the hard farming. For them they just require the double of us. Their requirement is 3000 to 3200 calories. Now we try to understand what is the relation between calories intake and obesity. Suppose your car required 16 liters of the petrol and you are putting 20 liters. So what will happen? After a few days the tank will be filled up. If you pour more petrol, it will be overflow. But in case of our body, if we consume 2000 calories instead of 1600, what will happen? What do you think, that 400 extra calories will be overthrown by our body? No, this 400 calories will be accumulated into our body and we become obese and obese. So in case of a car, there is no increase in the size of the tank, but in case of our body, there is increase in the size of our tank. That means generally the body becomes enlarged and we become obese and obese. So what is the meaning of obesity? Actually, you know that our body, we require 1600 calories and we are taking the 2000. That means the 400 extra calories we are taking every day, and this 400 extra calories will be accumulated into our body in the various parts. Say for example from the cheek, abdomen, thigh, etc., and we become obese and obese. So I think all of you might be understanding about the obesity. Now we try to understand how we can reduce this obesity. See, the first and the most important thing is that you have to reduce your calories intake from 2000 to 1000 calories. So actually our body requires 1600 calories and we are consuming 1000 calories. So from where the 600 calories they will utilize? So body will be utilizing this extra 600 calories from its own stored energy, and we just become reduce our lose our calories and reduce our weight. So what answers we are getting from this concept? If you really wants to reduce your weight, you have to depend or consume on 1000 calories instead of 2000. So maximum, the patient, they used to ask, doctor, please prepare a chart so that we can follow the chart. You see, what is the problem in the chart? Chart, it is totally temporarily. It contains 10 to 16 items. So throughout your life, you cannot depend by taking on those limited items. So charts never work. You have to create your charts into your mind. So which food categories contains, food categories contains different type of the calories, we'll be trying to discuss in the next video. So till then, stay healthy and goodbye.